Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you the smooth zoom tutorial on CapCut. So first you need to import your clips, and then in this case I'm using actually this is the same video but I'm splitting it into two. So first what you need to do is add a keyframe in the first clip, at the end of the first clip, and then zoom it in like this. And then after that, click on in between the clips or in the transitions, click on that, and then choose camera and choose the pull in. Click on the check icon, and then after that, in the second video, go to animations, combo, and then choose the zoom to. Wait a second. Where is the zoom to? Okay, this one. Click on the check icon, and then after that go to effect, go back, oops, why, sorry about that. Okay, go to effect, video effects, and then details. Here find details, and then select the vertical blur effect. Okay, what is it? Okay, this one, vertical blur. Click on that, click on the check icon, and shorten the effects and put them in between the clips like this. And then here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click on the thanks below. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. See you at the following tutorial. Bye.